Ever notice how some people just seem to breeze through life, effortlessly crushing their goals while the rest of us are still trying to figure out which sock to put on first? Yeah, those people. You know what I'm talking about. They look like they are straight out of a catalog. For younger viewers, that was how you online shopped before the internet. They walk among us with an aura of, "I've got my life together," that is, at times, annoying. Well, I'm here to tell you a secret. They're not superhuman. They haven't unlocked some hidden level of existence. They've just figured out the right mental hacks. The kind that self-help gurus and efficiency experts are always trying to sell us in online courses. Well, guess what? You're in luck. Today I'm sharing 5 life hacks that are so effective, my therapist charges $200 an hour to share them. So, if you use them, these are seriously the real deal. In fact, hack number 5? Let's just say my ex actually called me for the first time in years after I started using it. Or maybe it was just that she thought creators make more than most of us actually do. Man, I wish I had Mr. Beast money. All right, everyone, Dr. B here, and let's talk procrastination. We've all been there, right? That deadline looming, that project piling up, and yet, we find ourselves inexplicably drawn to the siren song of reaction videos on YouTube. It's like our brain is hardwired to avoid anything remotely resembling productivity. But fear not, my friend, because I'm about to introduce you to the 2-minute rule, a weapon so simple, yet so powerful in the fight against procrastination that you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Here's the gist. If something takes less than 2 minutes to do, just do it. Right now. Don't even think about it. Don't debate it or overthink it. Don't write it down on a to-do list for later. Just get it done. Washing that one dish in the sink. Replying to that email that's been sitting in your inbox for days. Putting away those clothes that have been airing out on your treadmill for the past week. The beauty of the 2-minute rule is that it short-circuits your brain's natural tendency to overthink and delay. Boom. Procrastination defeated. Ever wish you could learn a new language, master the guitar, or become a coding wizard, but feel overwhelmed by the sheer amount of time and effort involved? We've all been there. You just need the rule of 5. Commit to doing 5 minutes of deliberate practice towards your goal every single day. No marathon study sessions, no grueling workouts, just 5 focused minutes where you give it your all. Consistency trumps intensity every single time. By dedicating just 5 minutes each day, you're creating a habit, building momentum, and making progress without even realizing it. So, pick that skill you've always wanted to master and commit to the rule of 5. Let's be real. We live in a world that's constantly vying for our attention. Notifications are buzzing, emails are piling up, and everyone and their dog seems to need something from us. Right this second. It's enough to make even the most organized person feel like they're drowning in a sea of to-dos. But fear not, my overwhelmed friend, because I'm about to introduce you to the Eisenhower Matrix, a productivity tool so powerful, it's practically cheating. It's like having a personal assistant for your brain, helping you prioritize tasks and conquer your day like the boss you are. Here's how it works. Imagine a simple 2x2 grid. On one axis, you have urgent and not urgent. On the other axis, you have important and not important. Now, take all those tasks swirling around in your head and start slotting them into the appropriate quadrant. Quadrant 1. Urgent and important. These are the things that require your immediate attention. Quadrant 2. Not urgent, but important. This is where the magic happens. These are the tasks that contribute to your long-term goals and values. Quadrant 3. Urgent, but not important. These are the distractions, the time wasters. Delegate these, if possible. Quadrant 4. Not urgent, not important. This is the black hole of productivity. Hit that delete button. Ever find yourself paralyzed by indecision, agonizing over every little choice? Yeah, we've all been there. But fear not, my indecisive friend, because I'm about to introduce you to the 10-10-10 rule, a decision-making framework so simple, yet so profound, that it will change the way you approach choices, big and small. Here's the gist. The next time you're faced with a decision, ask yourself these 3 questions. 1. How will I feel about this decision in 10 minutes? 2. How will I feel about this decision in 10 hours? And 3. How will I feel about this decision in 10 years? This simple exercise forces you to zoom out from the immediacy of the moment and consider the long-term consequences of your actions. It helps you cut through the noise of your emotions and tap into your values and priorities. The 10-10-10 rule isn't about making the right decision every time. It's about making conscious, intentional choices that align with your values and goals and set you up for long-term success. So, the next time you're faced with a decision that's got you feeling stuck, remember the 10-10-10 rule. Let's be real. Failure is an inevitable part of life. It's messy, it's uncomfortable, and it has a nasty habit of showing up at the most inconvenient times. But what if, instead of fearing failure, we embraced it as an opportunity for growth and resilience? That's exactly where the anti-fragile mindset comes in. It's not about being invincible or immune to setbacks. It's about developing the ability to bounce back stronger, wiser, and more resilient from the challenges life throws our way. Think of it like this. A fragile object breaks under pressure. A sturdy object withstands pressure. But an anti-fragile object actually benefits from pressure, becoming stronger and more resilient over time. Like making diamonds. Embrace failure as feedback. Focus on what you can control. Practice self-compassion. Seek out challenges. Sometimes you'll succeed. Other times you'll learn. Either way, you'll win. So there you have it. The 5 life hacks that will make you so productive that your friends will start spreading rumors about you. Is being on mental steroids even a thing? Let's recap, shall we? The 2-minute rule. Trick your brain into doing things before it realizes what's happening. The rule of 5. Small daily improvements equal massive results over time. The Eisenhower matrix. Stop doing stupid stuff that keeps you busy but gets you nowhere. The 10-10-10 rule. Make decisions your future self won't resent you for. And finally, the anti-fragile mindset. Fall down 7 times, get up 8. To continue your mental journey of success, watch this next video on creating discipline. Thanks again for watching.